Report Ravenswood, peculiar in the field. I'm in Van Meter, Iowa, stalking the Lock Ridge Monster. Unfortunately, something else is stalking me.
Snizzle, snazzle, snoozle, snuzzle, sneeze. All these here irritants got me down on my knees. Snizzle, snazzle, snoozle, snuzzle, snoo. My mucous membrane sure knows what to do. Is it a sensitivity or an intolerance? I don't know. All I know is I feel a sneeze coming on. Snizzle, snazzle, snoozle, snuzzle, sned. Maybe today I should just stay in bed. Then I could snizzle, snazzle, snoozle, snuzzle, snore. This air quality is looking pretty poor. Is it a sensitivity or an intolerance? I don't know. All I know is that I feel a sneeze coming on. In 1819 they first appeared on the scene. We read all about it in New Science magazine. I should be more dirty, I use too much Listerine. Or maybe the fault lies deep in my genes. Sensitivity or an intolerance, I don't know. All I know is that I feel a sneeze coming on, and my eyes are itchy and red, and it's harder and harder to breathe, and my thoughts are fuzzier than usual.